You're watching Olive Eye. My name is Trinell. We normally show you really cool places to eat, but due to the coronavirus, we can't do that right now. So, since we're stuck at home, staying safe, we decided to go with a dish using Brussels sprouts. So, Dandy.eats, shout out to her. She actually recommended a company to me. It's called JustDate Syrup. So this specific syrup right here is a pomegranate molasses. I saw it, I immediately ordered it, and they ship through Amazon, which is really great during these times. So if you're stuck at home right now, you're looking for something really cool to eat, maybe you want to splurge a little bit, Brussels sprouts are the way to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to roast them. Once they're done, I'm going to go ahead and make a sauce using the pomegranate molasses. So if you want to see how to make that sinful pleasure at home while you're stuck during the coronavirus, go ahead and tune in as I show you how to make them. So, it's a trick that I learned from Gordon Ramsay. Take the spoon, Brussels sprout, pull back. Yeah. Bam. So now that I've got the Brussels sprouts, we're going to do the chili pepper, kosher salt, black pepper, olive oil. Alright, so now we got the Brussels sprouts. I'm going to take this knife. We got Mercer. I don't know if you guys can see that. Mercer. Yeah. Perfect. So we got these. Take this. Alright, so now we got this, right? We're gonna take the baking sheet, and we're gonna dump them all in. So you guys just saw how I put these Brussels sprouts together. I think they came out really great. The smell was really good. Shout out to Emerald Lagasse. You know, if we had smell-o-vision today, you guys would be subscribing right now. Actually, is what you should do. But I'm gonna show you guys what these Brussels sprouts look like. Right there, bam. So it's all caramelized. When you put them in the oven, you kind of get that oven roast on them. Take them out, make the sauce, and you coat them around. Comes out really, really good. Again, like I said earlier, sinful pleasure. If you're quarantined right now, you know, you got that quarantine bae, they're definitely gonna love you, and we may just end up being some baby boomers around here after this, you know what I mean? Damn. Shout out to JustDate Syrup, that pomegranate molasses. I think you can kind of put it on anything, you know what I mean? It's really, really good. And we got quarantine bae over here, so she's gonna try it out. Yep.
That's bomb.
Right? So we won't film the rest of this, but thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell notification so you get notified when we put out videos just like this. And share it with your family and friends because they're gonna love it. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.